The J.D. Fraser Service Award is awarded to an engineer who has made a substantial contribution of service to the association. This includes a record of outstanding volunteer service to various committees and projects of Engineers Nova Scotia. Kent Lane, FEC, P.Eng, attributes his distinguished career trajectory to his three areas of expertise: information technology, project management, and people skills. He has been with one of the leading consulting engineering firms in Nova Scotia, CBCL Limited, since 1995, and has earned his way from a facilities coordinator to vice president corporate services. Kent's contributions to engineering in Nova Scotia have been recognized nationally, earning an FEC from Engineers Canada in 2016 and the Engineers Nova Scotia Citizenship Award in 2018. Kent is grateful to CBCL for providing him with both the necessary guidance and latitude to choose his path. As a result, he has built an unwavering strength and entrepreneurial ability. Kent has been a key player for the application of IT within engineering management, design, and administration in the province. Kent was elected to the Engineers Nova Scotia Council in 2017 for a 2-year term, an experience which he found extremely enlightening given his interest in the organization's internal functions and the bodies that in turn manage them. Kent has also been a member of the Engineers Nova Scotia Sustainability Committee since 2015, happily encouraging local engineers to consider the environment and the greater good in their everyday practices. It was the fulfillment he received from these experiences, which ultimately led to his Consulting Engineers of Nova Scotia presidency for the 2022-23 term. Kent has been a game-changing force in engineering advocacy, striving to facilitate conversations that benefit his own workplace alongside the industry in its entirety. Through the respectable efforts of people like Kent, the highest professional standards within Nova Scotia's consulting engineering space are uplifted. For the past 3 years, Kent has been a mentor as part of CBCL's mentorship program, an annual professional development program which pairs employees in a mentor relationship with a young engineer, which he played a central role in introducing and growing. Kent has also been awarded a top connector of the Halifax Partnership Connector Program, building relationships with over 40 internationally educated engineers and recent graduates new to Halifax more than any other engineer in the history of the program. His willingness to give back to the city is simply unquestionable, especially considering his volunteer work with United Way of Halifax, where he has been a member for more than 7 years, having joined their Finance, Audit, and Risk Committee in 2016. I only want to continue to bring value to my community, whether that be through engineering, social, or advocacy, he says. Outside of consulting and volunteering, Kent is a golfer, an avid cook, and travel lover. He is a new grandfather and joyfully spends much of his time with his two grandkids in New Brunswick. For his imaginative technological perspective and corporate citizenship, Kent Lane, FEC, P.Eng, is the recipient of the 2023 J.D. Fraser Service Award